Year 6, welcome back. Lesson 9. It's our second session of fractions of amounts. So we're going to go through an example, and then you guys are going to have a few more goes at solving some which are a bit more challenging. Okay, so just to recap down here, remember, don't want to rub it out. Just remember, with any fraction, you've got a number above the fraction line and a number below. So the number above is called the numerator, and the number below is the denominator. So you can see in our example underneath, there's 2/7 of 21. I'm going to put a pound sign in front of that, okay? So let's just say you've been doing some jobs around the house. Your parents have said you've done really, really well, and they're going to give you 2/7 of £21 to say thank you, provided you can work out the answer. So you can see I've written here step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is you've got to ask yourself, how many times does the denominator, if I change the colour, how many times does the denominator, which is a 7, go into 21, which is our amount. So how many 7s are there in 21? Okay, there's 3, aren't there? So keep that answer in your head, and then you multiply it by the numerator, which in this case is a 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So your parents are giving you £6. So just to remind you, step 1, how many times does the denominator go into the amount, which is 21, and then whatever the answer is, multiply it by your numerator. Okay, so now it's your turn. So you've got 8 problems here. So when you're ready to start, you're going to pause the screen and you're going to solve them. And just before you do, remember, how many times does the denominator, the bottom number, go into the amount? So in our first example, how many 8s go into 40? Whatever that answer is, multiplied by the numerator, which in this example is a 2. Okay, so press pause, good luck. Press play when you're ready to go through the answers. Okay, great. Let's go through them. 2 8s of 40. How many 8s in 40? 5. 5 times 2, 10. How many 9s in 18 for the next one is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Next one, 2/6 of 54 is 18. 5/7 of 21. Well, there's 3 7s in 21. Multiply it by 5, you get 15. 2/6 of 30. 10. 3/4 of 24. 18. 5/6 of 36. 30. And the last one, 3/10 of 150. Well, how many 10s are there in 150? There's 15. 15 times 3 is 45. Really, really hope you got most of those right. Okay, if you didn't, but you still use this method that we've been working through, well done. Keep the faith, okay? We will get there. Just need a bit more practice. So well done, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for lesson 10.